everyone. Welcome back to the channel Deep Sleep English, the podcast where you learn English naturally while listening to real conversation.
Yes, please, and subscribe to Deep Sleep English. When you subscribe, you help us make more and more podcasts for you.
And share this. If you have a friend who wants to speak English fast, send this episode to them. It helps everyone.
Hi, guys. We're really happy you're here today.
My name is Alex. I'm from the United States. I grew up in a small town.
And I'm Emma. I'm also from the U.S. I live in a big city now, but I grew up in a quiet place too.
This channel is all about real English.
Yes, real English, not classroom English, not perfect English.
Just two people talking, like friends.
Exactly. No pressure. You can relax. You can listen slowly.
Today's topic is very interesting and very important.
Yes, we're talking about English you hear in movies versus English you hear in real life.
Oh, wow. This is a good one.
Yeah, because movies can be, how do I say it, a little fake.
A little?
Okay, sometimes very fake.
Before we start, let's ask a simple question.
Okay,
Do you like watching movies in English?
I love it. I watch movies all the time.
Me too. Action movies, comedy, drama, even cartoons.
Cartoons are great for English learners, by the way.
Yes, they speak clearly, and the stories are simple.
But here is the problem. Many learners think, if I speak like the movie, I will sound natural.
That's not always true.
Not true at all.
Let's talk about the first big difference.
Okay, the first difference is movies sound cooler.
Yes, very cool. People in movies always know what to say.
They always have the perfect words.
And the perfect timing.
In real life, no.
No way. In real life, people stop. They think. They make mistakes.
All the time.
Let me give an example.
Go ahead.
In movies, someone might say, "I will never forgive you for what you did."
Wow, very dramatic.
Very dramatic, very strong. But in real life,
In real life, someone says, I'm really upset about this.
yes, that's so true. Or, that really hurt my feelings.
Real life English is softer
And shorter.
and sometimes messy.
Let's talk about greetings.
Oh, this is a good one.
In movies, people say, "Hello, John. How have you been?"
That sounds nice, but do people really talk like that?
Not often.
In real life, we say, hey, or hey, what's up?
Or just morning.
Sometimes we don't say anything.
That's true. We just nod our head.
Another big difference is speed.
Yes, movies are fast.
Very fast. People talk quickly. They don't stop.
In real life, people pause a lot.
Like this. Let me see.
Or, how do I say this?
These are very common in real life
But in movies, you almost never hear that.
because movies are written.
Real life is not written.
Exactly. Let's talk about jokes.
Oh no.
In movies, jokes are perfect.
Everyone laughs.
The timing is amazing.
In real life, sometimes the joke is bad.
Sometimes nobody laughs.
Sometimes people don't understand.
And that's okay.
Yes, that's normal.
I remember a funny story.
Tell me.
When I was younger, I tried to use a movie line in real life.
Oh no.
I watched a cool action movie. The hero said something like, "Don't mess with me."
Very strong.
I thought it sounded cool, so I said it to my friend.
And?
He looked at me and said, are you okay?
Oh no.
Yeah, it was awkward.
Because movie English can sound too serious.
Or too dramatic.
Real life English is more relaxed.
Let's talk about love and feelings.
Movies love big feelings.
Big love, big words.
You are the love of my life.
I can't live without you.
In real life, we say, "I really like you."
Or, you mean a lot to me.
Much simpler.
Much more natural.
Another difference is slang.
Yes, movies sometimes use old slang.
Or very cool slang.
But real slang changes fast.
Very fast.
A movie from 10 years ago can sound strange today.
True, language changes.
That's why listening to real conversations helps.
Podcasts, interviews, vlogs.
And channels like this one.
Smiles, let's talk about accents.
Oh, that's important.
In movies, accents are often very clear.
Very clean English.
In real life, accents are different.
People speak English from all over the world.
Different sounds, different rhythm.
And that can be scary for learners.
But it's normal.
You don't need perfect English.
You need understandable English.
And confidence.
Let's do a small example.
Okay.
Movie English. Excuse me, could you please tell me where the restroom is?
Very polite.
Real life English. Hey, sorry, where's the bathroom?
Short, simple.
And very common.
Another thing, movies don't show mistakes.
Yes, this is huge.
People in movies almost never say the wrong word.
In real life, we say the wrong word all the time.
Even native speakers.
We correct ourselves.
Or we just keep going.
And people still understand.
That's good news for learners.
Very good news.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You need communication.
Let's talk about silence.
Oh, interesting.
In movies, silence is dramatic.
Very serious.
In real life, silence is normal.
Sometimes we don't know what to say.
Sometimes we're tired.
Sometimes we're just thinking.
And that's okay.
Learners are often afraid of silence.
Yes, they think, I must speak now.
But it's okay to pause.
Take your time.
Let's share one tip.
Okay,
Don't try to speak like a movie character.
try to speak like a real person.
Use simple words,
Short sentences.
natural pauses.
Natural pauses.
Be yourself.
Movies are for fun.
Real life is for connection.
Before we end, let's ask the viewers a question.
Good idea. Have you ever learned a sentence from a movie?
And then felt shy to use it in real life?
That's normal.
You're not alone.
Learning English is a journey.
Slow steps are okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Silence is okay.
And real English?
Is simple English.
Thank you so much for listening.
We're really happy you're here.
If this helped you,
Please keep practicing.
and remember,
You don't need to sound like a movie.
you just need to be understood.
See you in the next conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.